Uh, hey guys, it's Katrina. Welcome back to a Minecraft video. Today in this video, I'm gonna be joined by OP1718. Hi. And anyways, today in this video, we're just gonna be giving you a quick update on all the things we've actually really updated. So first off, I've really extended my farm from there to like this whole thing, and I've grown more trees. And this parkour, it leads to the mob island. So. Oh, right. I added a jersey sign there. Right. And, this is the mob island. It's probably not big enough, but we'll see. And anyways, I'm just gonna hop back real quick. Elfie's so giddy from her victory in Death Run. Okay. And then, we've also removed all the trees in here and actually moved it over to a public tree farm, which no trees seem to be growing. And we've also moved the farm here, and that's actually the farm storage. And over there, that's actually our new storage because I've extended my house downstairs. This is the cobble generator, and then also known as cobble gen, to be honest. Main storage, somebody put that there. If this staircase leads down to the infinity water source. This is Elfie's house. She's got a really big house. All the trees here in the main island belongs to her because, well, she extends her house to the whole thing. It's practically larger than mine. And now I'm just gonna show you guys what we do in the ship thing.
Katrina, did you put the tickets inside?
Yeah, I'm gonna be the ticketing booth person, whatever, and you're gonna be a guest. No, because okay, we'll take turns because I did a new mechanism. Elfie, come on, go out first. I did a new mechanism, please. Can I be the person first and then you can be the ticketing later? Come on, please. Once. Just once, go. No, just stuff. You'll know later, that's why. I said you can't be the ticketing first because I fixed up the mechanism first.
I know, but there's no tickets. How do you play?
There is. Just trust me. Just pretend you're the guest first.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the ship thing. We built it. It's probably not finished yet. Most of it is finished though. I don't know what we're really gonna do on it, to be honest. Okay, so for example, there's a guest. Hi.
Ticket, please.
Okay. You have anything to trade for the ticket?
Pumpkin.
Okay, can I have one, please? Okay, so apparently for now the currency is pumpkin. So I'm gonna open this trapdoor and take one paper out and toss it in the dispenser and there. So now I'm gonna open this fence gate. Yep, and then she can go all the way in to the ship. Right. So my turn. Elfie, my turn, right? Elfie, my turn, and then we can explore the ship together. So this is the queuing area. Everything here is practically mechanical. So, hi.
Hey,
One ticket, please.
Hey.
Here you go. The currency is not technically pumpkins, but we're using it for now. We're probably gonna make it like, maybe gold nuggets. Thank you. And then I'm gonna step here, and then actually, technically, you have to come out here, and I have to show you the ticket. But okay, wait, hold on. I'm gonna put the ticket back in there. Elfie, did you do that? No, yeah, you did. Okay, so let's go. Let's explore. Come on. So this staircase, I designed it. So we're gonna go the long way and then come back the short way. So this long way is basically giving you a great view of the ship. Now the underneath that bit is actually, yeah, ground removal. So here you can see, you can like get a great view of the ship. This is the head. We're probably gonna fix that or something. Anyways, so we climb all the way up here. You guys will know what that is first later. And so cool. Elfie built this platform. She designed the whole thing. I fixed it up a bit and added the torches in. So, oh, you finished it. Okay. So look at this. Oh, so cool. So it basically moves around the whole boat about 2 times. Oh wait, I think 1 time. And now we go here. So this is the first small sale we did. No pattern on it, but it's here for a reason. I don't know what reason. And then this is the bigger sale. This bigger sale has a fairy tale symbol on it. It's symbol. What?
Emblem. It's
You
an
know,
emblem.
you know the symbol and the emblem is practically the same thing.
No, it's not.
Never mind. Never mind. But it is practically the same thing. It's based off the fairy tale symbol on my back. I'm still calling it a symbol. You can't stop me. So we're going Captain Dragoneel's cabin. I have a question.
Right?
Does this Dragoneel stand for happy or not to?
Of course not to. Happy not called Happy Dragon. Happy doesn't have. I think it does, but wait, I need to check the Edel Zork again.
But that's not fair. If you're doing a Captain Dragoneel, how come it can't be a Captain Fernandez?
Huh? Because the law is in the main character. And Ursa lives. And Ursa not the main character.
Oh, you, how dare you? She is one of the main characters.
She is not the main protagonist.
Still. That's not, no, can we just do a Happy or Carla?
No.
Come on, so there will be less arguments.
They're not even Earthlings. They're HC from Edelman. Don't go. This is the Earthland ship, and you think for Earthland, okay? I just gave you loads of spoilers.
I have no idea what she's talking about. Come on, just please, just once.
No.
Yes,
No.
yes. Just make it someone else's ship, or just put it as Captain Cabin, like Captain's Cabin. Don't put Captain whatever, so it can be whatever whoever we say it is in our mind.
Daniel.
No. Oh come on! You know when Lloyd comes in here, he's gonna do Captain Jackson,
Why?
Percy Jackson.
Who the flip hell is he?
Oh come on! He's one of the characters from Percy Jackson series. It's so cool. Oh come on, please.
Percy Jackson.
What?
Is it edible?
No. Come on, Alfie. We have to find a way to solve this. It's either Captain Happy or Captain's Cabin only.
Why? Why happy?
Well, because Happy is, I don't know.
Yeah, that's the point.
Fine, then Captain's Cabin. I'm just gonna change it. Oh wait, I gotta sign it, I think. Captain's Cabin. Oops. Here we go. Okay, now back to the tour. Anyways. Oh, come on. Anyways. In here, we just got a table, a bench, and pretty much nothing else. I mean... Hey! That's it. Time out, Elfie. Stay in there. Fine, don't put a sign at all then. Just put it as cabin. Okay, do this. Elfie, come on. We have to stop this nonsense and finish the tour. Hey! Screw you! Elfie, come on.
What? This is quite nice.
Put back the pressure plate. That's not fair.
Why?
You know, you're only doing yours, Lloyd's, and, well, you two's favorite characters.
No, I hate Happy, but you insisted on Happy.
No, I insisted on Happy. The reason is because Happy, I don't know.
Yeah, that's the point.
Just, I don't know. Fine, I'm putting it something else. Hold on. No, I know what to do. Wait, I spelled his name. Sorry. Fine, Jalova. And then Percy's. There we go. Okay, that works. captain's cabin, or this?
I got a better one.
We're gonna be Captain Fernandez. Okay, that sounds weird. I'm gonna click that. Okay, I'm gonna get on the tour. So anyways, so this is the deck. We built the entirely thing. We built the whole thing nearly out of birch wood. This is dark oak, which I grew. I'm gonna show you guys downstairs in the sec where we're leaving. So this is the fairy tale emblem, and up here is the crow's nest. So the crow's nest basically like spruce, dark oak, birch, oak, and crafting table. There's actually also this, which is a kind of sail thingy, I guess. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. There's one torch here. Wait, no, I'm gonna do it the cool way. Probably not cool, but okay. I didn't hurt myself. Fernand. Yep, spelled Fernandez wrong. Well, actually, there's two ways of spelling it. It's either Z or S.
Yeah, I use Z.
Fine then. Actually, I use Z too, but then I can't find any search results with Z. Bio planks. Oh, it actually landed there. Hold on one sec. Okay. Done.
It doesn't matter. Fernandez is the same thing.
I know. Oh, I nearly fell off. Okay, so we're gonna show the people downstairs.
So it doesn't fucking matter.
So this is downstairs, which we haven't done anything in it yet. We don't know what we're gonna do. Probably put out our favorite ship names of time. Like maybe this wall is mine, and then this wall is Lloyd's, and this wall is Elfie's, and then we put down Elfie's favorite ships, or Elfie's favorite OTP, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then put down the dates. Yeah, that works. That's yeah. This is called ship for a reason. The first ship means like our favorite ships, like OTPs and stuff. Second ship means like really ship, like normal ships. This is actually technically a floating ship, which is why we built the staircase up. Or else we were originally gonna do it as a normal island like those. Like, of course not an underground one. Underground belongs to me.
We were?
Yeah, remember? We were originally gonna do it as a island. But then you told us,
Oh yeah, right.
you said, well, let's do a ship instead.
We had a Nalu island, and then I used it for my extension. So I go like, why don't we make a ship? And then you were like, oh, so. And then you're like,
No, wait. The first thing was you were gonna do a Nalu island. I asked, how about we just do a normal ship island, like for all our ships? And she's like, okay, fine. And then we were originally gonna use her extension as a ship island. But then Elfie was like, wait, hold on, let's just make a floating ship. And I was like, okay, fine, cool. So then we came up with this, and I designed the staircase. She designed the rest of the ship. And then, well, Lloyd tried to come in, and then I stopped him. I told him that it's not ready yet. It's still not ready yet, but you get what I mean. And then
he's always barging in, and then he just breaks whatever he wants, takes whatever he wants, and tries to
personalize. I can't read that word.
Personalize the ship, but the problem is this ship is for us. Like me and Kelly thought the idea, and we thought that why not? Like we're gonna do it, and a boy's gonna wreck it. Then no.
Like, it's not like he's not allowed up here, but we're gonna let him up this, like, when we finish it, you know? So, this is the part which I was talking about. So, this is the short way. It's pretty cool. It was the original way to get up here with a whole of the ship. But then we decided, no, okay, let's do a long way so we can get a full view
No,
of the
because
ship.
like I thought of this. I thought of the long way because I thought that if we always see the butt of the ship.
Butt of the ship, okay,
And
fine.
I feel like we made such a good ship, and now we're gonna make like we can just see the butt forever. I cannot allow that. So I was like, why don't we just make like a big round, big lap? And then I thought I could curl it up, and then I thought, hey, then I can't go back in. and then I had to stop from going too high, and then I went back down.
Elfie, you know you could have just went this high, and then after you went this high, and then you could have gone back down, maybe do like 2 laps. One maybe bigger lap, and then loop it back into the entrance. That would work, but never mind.
It's gonna be really hard and really frustrating.
I know.
And it's gonna look weird because like the whole ship is like curls in a ball.
And this is my house extension. This is the relaxing area, and this is the place where if somebody wants to bring some stuff, I'm gonna try and stop them from coming in this area, and I'm just gonna toss it out of the window. And then if someone don't want to come down, I don't want to go up, but I need to get some stuff, then I'm just gonna get the person to drop it down this hole, which is the place I usually come down from. Okay, what am I down here for? Right, food. So I'm starting to keep chests and signs on me. Signs because sometimes we're just gonna use signs to communicate, which is so fun, to be honest. And the chest is just sometimes, and I need to pass something to someone who was AFK or not here in the server. Then I'm just gonna use the chest. And this here is my watchtower. It's pretty cool. I have no use for it for now because it can't see the whole island, the whole googly island. But it works for now. This is actually just torches. All of the trapdoors in the ground, like that, it's usually for torches. If not, then it's ladders.
To say the truth, I need to get some warning notes down there to say that life is not guaranteed. You jump off the boat or accidentally slip your foot off the surface, and we're not giving back the money.
True. We have to think of a currency though.
What?
What kind of currency do you want to use?
Wood, maybe?
Well, we have a lot of iron. We can use iron ingots. I mean, iron nuggets.
Oh, I feel like we could, if we take that, if we want to go up there, if we need to, like, have a currency, why not we have, like, cobble or wood, and then one day we're gonna find there a lot of wood there, and then we could just use them just in case something happens.
Well, we can also use, since we have like iron and we can always get iron from giveaways and smelt our tools to get iron nuggets. We can just use iron nuggets as the currency, you know.
Oh, iron nuggets?
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
And if not, then we can do gold. That will encourage people to use the cobblestone generator island more because we can only get gold from there or giveaways from the spawn. So, and anyways, the cobblestone generator island has not been used ever since we built it. Oh, I go there all the time, you know. Just sometimes people forget to use it. So that would just encourage people to use the cobblestone generator island, and also, yeah, I think it will work. And also, since I have a lot of boats.
No, we need another road for exiting.
Aww. Why?
Because if people want to go, wait, shush, move yourself, please.
Okay. Wait, I can't. Hold on 1 second. I'm just gonna keep quiet then. I can't mute. Okay, so guys, basically because wait, hold on. Basically because I want you guys, so maybe I can loop it down to farm. I'm not sure. Like, I actually have a lot of both stuff. Wait, hold on. I'll show you guys what I meant. Like, I have a lot of iron here. And if I change it, I actually get like 2 stacks or more. Wait, hold on. I'll do this. Okay, I'm gonna do a spawn giveaway later. Anyways, you guys think this can be currency? Maybe gold has to be like the really large amount of currency, and then I don't know. Ooh, gold nuggets looks cute. Anyways. Okay. Where's the 60 chart? Oh yeah. There was 21 in there. Yeah, we could do this. That will work. Okay, my chest is so My chest is so messy. Okay, I'm gonna put valuables here. Okay, that works. Because the others will not be here. And then, wait, there's always one bucket here, which I don't need. Okay, so first is the tool. Tries. I can't press the mute. Oh wait, okay, I can. Anyways, so now.
Forget about it. It's over. My mom's not home.
Okay, sorry. Anyways, so you guys, so I'm gonna be doing like, okay, this is the loot and stuff I get. Oh, I got 2 spider eyes, and then maybe these are the containers, and then also, I don't know. This is so junky. I'm gonna have to do a spawn giveaway. You wanna come to the spawn giveaway?
For what? What are you giving away?
I'm giving away loads of trash in my.
Like what?
Like. Wait, hold on. What the heck? Okay, I need a chest for trash next time.
What do you mean by trash?
Trash. Trash means trash, man.
I know what kind. Like wood?
No, not that kind of trash. Just all sorts of trash. Like bowls, and then pistons, and then charcoal, shears, fishing rods, and then random loot I get from killing monsters, and then random armor which I have no place to put.
I need it! Give them to me, please.
What do you need?
What do you have? Pistons?
No, I need the piston lever and stuff. I just have lots of stuff which I'm picking out which I don't need.
Like?
Stop asking me like I don't know.
Then can you put it somewhere because I didn't want it?
I'm gonna do a spawn giveaway. I'm seriously gonna do that.
Oh yeah, by the way, can you rate the Jersey thingy on top of me?
I won't do that. Can you do it? You do it.
Come on, Kelly. So hard to get up so high.
Then why are you asking me?
But you're the one who built it.
Actually, no. Lloyd helped.
Oh, come on. Fine. I'll go build it.
It's not that annoying. It's not like it's like. It's not like it's blocking your house or something.
But I don't want it there.
If you don't want it, then just go destroy it. I don't know. Technically.
Why did you build it on top of my house anyway?
Because that tree originally wasn't yours. It was originally mine and Lloyd's and everyone's. It's not on top of your house, to be honest.
That means it's yours, right? The house is yours, not mine, right?
Yeah. You just connected your house to it. It's not. Yeah.
Okay then. Oh, you wanna go PvP?
Okay, cool. Wait, hold on though. Damn it. This is annoying. Damn it.
You ship Jersey post?
What?
You ship Jersey?
Yeah. I thought you knew that. Don't you know that? What the hell? Anyways. I don't even know why I'm putting this here. Okay, that works. Oh man, no, that wouldn't work. Okay, this works. Alfie, what kind of armor are you bringing down?
What?
What kind of armor are you gonna bring to the PvP?
Oh wait, my mom's calling.
Okay,
I'm calling.
hold on, I'm muting myself. Or maybe not. Okay, I can't do this anymore. Okay, fine, I'm gonna have to do this, sorry. Blocks. And then the right side is weapons and armor. 2. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Weapons and armor 2. That works. So now I'm gonna put this down here. And then anyways, it's technically not my fault. Wait, what am I even talking about? Hold on. Oh, I put melon seeds there? Seriously? I didn't even know that. What the hell? I seriously don't have boots? Fine. Seems like we are gonna have to go down PvP sooner or later. Wait, hold on, guys. Okay, that works. So, where the hell are the boots here? Okay, I need more melons. Okay, now give me some melons. Hold on. 6, 12. Okay, that works. And then I'm gonna have to put some of these in storage. I can't bring all of these stuff. It's too random and stuff. Alfie's gonna be calling in a sec. I'm gonna put armor here. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a spawn giveaway. I think. Hold on. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna donate these two. Wait. Okay, fine. Since I'm gonna put it in the farm chest. Do we have a place for this? That works, I suppose. I'm actually gonna do like a vine house on top where I'm just gonna grow vines and stuff. I mean, I don't know why I need to do that. I don't really need vines that much, but it's gonna be worth it. Like, I'm gonna do maybe like 2 blocks out here and then like go along here and inside it's all vines. And then here I'm just gonna do a mini sofa or something. Yeah, that works. Okay. So I'm just gonna be wearing that all the time. And as for the pants, I don't really need it. Yep, because the sunglasses look rather cool. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put that there. Yeah, this works. Okay. So, I'm gonna have to add a sofa. How many sofas do you reckon I have to add? I've got a sitting area here to use. Okay. So, I don't really know what I want to do. I don't know, guys. You guys want me to chop some cobblestone? If we're really going with my idea and changing those stuff into currency, I'm gonna have to go chop some iron and stuff down. Oh wait, why the iron going up this way? I should be going through here. The number of times I've used this pathway is nearly 0. There we go. Right, so wait, hold on 1 second. Is that stone or cobblestone? Because if it's oh man, we should do a little gate for us to jump down or something. Cobblestone chest. It says cobble. It's probably gonna be filled sooner or later. With this thing, I just. Oh my gosh, how much cobblestone do I have? That's a lot. I didn't even know I had this much. I thought I had less. What the hell? Apparently not. So, well, I'm still gonna continue chopping down cobblestone. So I'm just gonna end the video here because chopping cobblestone is seriously gonna be boring. So, wait. Elfie just quit. Well, that's not matter. The sunglasses are cool. So thank you guys all. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Sorry. So thank you guys all very much for watching. Now let's see you guys all later. Bye.